Imagine a garden with no chemicals, yet the plants are healthy, strong, and barely touched by pests. No expensive sprays, no constant battle with aphids and mosquitoes. The secret is not in poisons, but in choosing the right plants that naturally protect the space around them. In this video, I will reveal 10 powerful plants that act as a living shield and explain why they work so well. It all begins with basil. This aromatic herb has an intense scent that repels mosquitoes and flies, and its essential oils also disturb aphids. While enhancing the flavor of tomatoes, it quietly protects them from unwanted visitors. Staying with strong fragrances, mint is another natural ally. Its fresh, penetrating aroma confuses ants, mosquitoes, and even some rodents. That makes it perfect for garden edges or containers near entrances. In a similar way, rosemary steps in as a protective presence. Its woody scent helps repel cabbage moths and mosquitoes, especially when planted near vulnerable vegetables. Continuing along the aromatic path, thyme offers both ground cover and defense. Its concentrated essential oils help deter whiteflies and other small pests while spreading gently across the soil. When you want to add both beauty and protection, lavender is an excellent choice. Its calming fragrance repels moths, fleas, and mosquitoes, while attracting pollinators that benefit the entire garden. Moving from fragrance to soil power, marigold becomes a key defender. Its roots release compounds that repel harmful nematodes in the soil. At the same time, it helps reduce aphids and other troublesome insects. Close behind comes calendula, which plays a balancing role. It attracts beneficial insects that feed on pests, creating a natural system of control without the need for chemicals. For something even stronger, chrysanthemum acts almost like a natural insecticide. It contains compounds that are used in many organic pest control products and can repel ants, roaches, and various insects. To strengthen your vegetable beds, garlic is a powerful companion. Its sharp scent drives away aphids, mites, and many other pests, and when planted between rows, it works like a silent guardian. Finally, dill may seem delicate, but it plays an essential role. It attracts beneficial insects such as ladybugs and parasitic wasps that feed on pests, helping maintain a healthy garden ecosystem. When these plants are arranged thoughtfully, the garden begins to defend itself. Instead of constant struggle, you create balance. And balance is the most powerful protection your garden can have.